Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to uninstall GlassWire from the Windows. GlassWire is a network monitoring and firewall software for the Windows that lets you track internet usage, detect suspicious activity, and block apps from accessing the internet. While it's a powerful security tool, there may be times when you want to uninstall it, such as troubleshooting issues, reinstalling a fresh copy, or removing it completely from a system. So now let's go step by step on how to properly uninstall to the GlassWire from the Windows. Over here, in order to uninstall via Windows setting, what you can do is on the bottom, you can find to this search here and find your GlassWire. Once you type down the GlassWire here, you'll find this uninstall option just beside it. Over here, simply click onto this uninstall here and it will open to this installed app. What you can do is on the top here, search, type down GlassWire here and find this GlassWire. Select to this three dot icon here and select uninstall. Again, type uninstall it and it will uninstall it completely. And after uninstalling, it's recommended to restart your computer to fully remove background services and drivers. And that is how you can uninstall the GlassWire from your Windows. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.